Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making deep fried burritos. So I already cut up some pork, put it in the pan with a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning salt, some chopped onions, and some garlic salt. And then you just cook this until it browns. Alright, so the pork is brown. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some enchilada sauce, put some in it. That way it could have a little bit of gravy in it. Alright, so now I'm ready to fill my tortillas with the pork. You can get any kind of tortillas as long as they're flour. So I'm going to go ahead, put a tortilla down here. I clean the pan so that way it can fry. Put some oil in here. You want enough oil so that way it can fry right. Make sure that's hot. So I'll get my filling. Put some in the tortilla. I have little tortillas, so. So make sure you roll it. If you don't know how to roll tortillas, it's going to be kind of harder for you. And then all you do is just put inside oil. What I did is my tortillas were kind of hard, so it was kind of hard to roll. So what I did was I got about 6 or 7. I put them in the microwave for a minute. Then you're going to fill it again. So the way you roll is you kind of fold these two sides over. You use your thumbs while you're holding this with your middle fingers. Roll it over. Make sure it's tight. Keep rolling. Looks like an egg roll, but it'll still be good. So we're going to put these in here until they get a little bit brown, and then we're going to turn them. Alright, so these are getting brown, so we're going to flip them over. So make sure you have your setting. I have it on kind of low because they end up burning. So you kind of just want them crispy brown like this. You don't want them too dark, then it's going to taste like burnt tortilla. So I'm going to brown these for a little bit more. Enchilada sauce, I put inside a bowl. Put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes, that way it can warm up. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this one off here so I can show you guys. Make sure you place them on a napkin so it takes all the oil off. So we're going to put them in here. That way it takes all the grease off. This one's not quite as brown, but it's still good. Alright, so what you're going to do is, you're going to let that sit for a couple minutes. That way all the oil comes off it. Then, you're going to grab one. Put it on another plate. You're going to get your enchilada sauce. Put that on top. Then you're going to come over here. You're going to put some cheese on it. What I do is put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. seconds or so, a minute. We had it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Come over here. You put your lettuce on last because you don't want your lettuce hot or soggy. Put that on top. Come over. What I got right here is some Valentina. Come over here, I got my soap already. Do it like this. And you come back over here. Put some cheese on that. And it'll melt by itself. And that, my friends, is a deep fried pork burrito with some sopa and cheese. And we made it enchilada style because it has the enchilada sauce. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.